Good evening. I hope all are doing great this evening. Yes, I have brought something for you. Do you want to see that? Yes. See what I have brought for you. Yes. You want to see what it is? Okay. So for that, you have to hear a story. Once they lived 5 friends. Do you want to know who were they? Yes. Nose, tongue, eye, ear and skin. Okay, one day they all were playing together. It so happened that they started debating on each other. So, as they were friends, each of them felt that everyone was great and they were feeling great about themselves. So each of them started saying, I am great than all of you. Then the next person said, No, I am great than all. Then in between I came and he said, No, I am the one. I am the greatest of all. The tongue came. Oh, what? Is it? No. You people can't be great. I am the one who is great among us. Finally, the nose came. What? Let it be. Keep quiet. I am the greatest. I am the only one. I am the greatest of all. So like this, they started debating and discussion and they went into a fight. So they all went to their mother and they asked, Mama, all of these people are saying that each of them is great. Could you help us and tell us who is great? Okay, don't fight. Let me solve your problem. And they all went for the discussion. So first, the eye came and he started explaining about his importance. He said, you know what? I can see different things. I can identify. I am very important. If I am not there, you will not see this world. You will not see the colors. You will not recognize anybody. You will go blind. And he said, that's why I am great. I am the greatest. Then the ear came. Oh, is it? That was your version. Now listen to me. You can hear with me. If there is no sound, you can't make out what is happening. See, I can hear the drum sound. I can hear the school bell sound. And that's why I am very, very important. Meanwhile, the tongue came. Oh, my dear ear, my dear eye, now listen to me. If I am not there, you will have no taste in the food. As a tongue, I am doing great job of having different taste and I can make out what your mama is preparing. I can make out whether the lunch is tasty, whether it is sweet, whether it is sour. Okay, I am adding flavor to your food. I am making you enjoy your food. I can see that the sugar is sweet. I can say that the lime is sour. And that's why I am very important, he said. Meanwhile, the nose came. Oh, my dear eye, my ears and the tongue. Now listen to me. I feel that I am the greatest because I can smell things. I can smell good and bad. Okay, I can smell stinking stuff, and I can also take the fragrance, and that's why I am important. And finally, listening, the skin was just wondering, waiting and waiting for his turn to come. And finally, the skin came. You know, now, children, all our body is covered with. See, I'm the largest. I'm almost covered. All your body is covered with the skin, and that's why. And I help you to feel, to touch, and also I can sense whether it is smooth, soft, hard. Okay, so that's why even if your mama is beating you, your friend is pinching you, I can make you feel the senses. So everybody had their discussion, all 5 of them: ear, tongue, eye, nose, and the skin. And finally, they felt that each of them were great. So, but imagine, Nana. So their mother explained them. See, everybody is important in their own way. All of you are sense organs, and they help us to interpret the world. Without any one of these, we are incomplete, and we cannot be happy. So the eye, the nose, the tongue, the ear, and the skin, sense organs of our body, and they all have to coordinate with each other for the functioning. And with this only we are able to live happily and sense everything. They are our 5 senses. Okay, Nana? I hope all of you enjoyed it. And again, after this discussion, they all became friends and started playing with each other. Okay, so what are the 5 sense organs now? The nose, eye, tongue, ear, and the skin. I hope you all liked it. Bye bye.